let's study one of the biggest projects to perform well last cycle. Lots of projects can do a 10x. Lots of projects can do a 100x. Very few do a 1000x in one cycle. Solana delivered 1000x returns to early VCs and early angel investors. This is the fundraising history of Solana. They had a seed round back in March 2018. This is like 2 cycles ago. They raised 3.2 million at 4 cents per token. They had version 0.1 of their white paper. Then that same year, June 2018, they had a founding round. They raised 12.6 million at 20 cents per token alongside their private testnet. A year later, they had validator round. They raised 5.7 million at 22.5 cents per token alongside the public testnet. Then a year later, they had a launch round. They raised 2.4 million at 25 cents per token alongside their mainnet launch. So they were basically 2 years after the seed round. They were 2 years, 2018 summer, 2019 summer, to get in early. And then even with the launch round. And guess what? 2021, it went to an all-time high. November 2021, it went to an all-time high of almost $260. Just think about that. Almost $260. That was Solana. So if you got in on the seed round, that was over 6,000x return on your money. That's turning $10,000 to $64 million. Founding round, that's almost a 1,300x. That's turning 10K to $12 million. Validator round, 1,100x. That's turning 10K to 11 million. And launch round, 10K to 10 million. And I mean, I know people who actually made this. This person that will not be named, he's on crypto Twitter, is a VC. He got in early. I believe he put in like 300 grand or so. There's the stories I've been told in the early round in Solana. And he made over $1 billion. You guys do the math. Like people are becoming billionaires on one project, 1000x. This is why there's money to be made as a VC in the crypto space or as an angel in the crypto space, if you can get access to those deals. Polygon delivered over 3,000x returns to early VCs and angels. Back in the day, it was called Matic. They then rebranded to Polygon, but back then it was called Matic. And they minted India's first crypto billionaires. Seed investors, seed VCs who invested in their seed round got in at 0.00079 cents per Matic. Basically, it was dirt cheap. So that amounts to, because Matic went to an all-time high of $2.92, according to CoinGecko. So the seed VCs made over 3,600x return on their money. I know these VCs. We met Polygon in India through one of these VCs. They invested in the seed round, then made the introduction to us. The rest is history. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, we have even more content for you at Tokeometrics. Get there using the link down below.